I wake up early morning. I wake up early morning. I get up from bed. I get up from bed. I take shower with my favorite soap. I take shower with my favorite soap. I brush my teeth properly. I brush my teeth properly. I comb my hair with hairbrush. I comb my hair with hairbrush. I get dressed. I get dressed. I make the bed. I make the bed. I have my favorite breakfast. I have my favorite breakfast. I go to school. I go to school. I read my class book. I read my class book. I have lunch at 12 p.m. I have lunch at 12 p.m. I write in my notebook. I write in my notebook. I come back to home. I come back to home. I do my homework. I do my homework. I play with my friends. I play with my friends. I watch cartoon on TV. I watch cartoon on TV. I have dinner. I have dinner. I wash the dishes. I wash the dishes. I go to sleep. I go to sleep.